Should we admit our own digital marketing failures?
Yeah, I think so. I think more than ever, I think people search for like authenticity and humility in people. I suppose from like my old experience being in quite a corporate industry when I was in recruitment, there was a massive facade that was put on in front of businesses and in front of clients, and it's something that took a long time for me to break down moving into digital marketing. And obviously, you don't want to be telling clients that you failed repeatedly because it doesn't make you look good. But I think having that element of humility um, makes you more endearing, and it actually proves that when successes happen, a lot of work's gone into that and a lot of graft has gone into that. Just because you might have failed somewhere along the way, if anything, it sort of adds to the story of the campaign, I always think.